So welcome friends. Today we'll discuss BSE Ltd. It's a mid-cap company with a market capitalization of 18,900 crores. The company has various subsidiaries under it. BSE Institute Limited is a 100% subsidiary. Indian Clearing Corporation Limited is a 100% subsidiary. BSE Administration and Supervision Limited is a 100% subsidiary. BSE Technologies Private Limited is a 100% subsidiary. BSE Investments Limited is a 100% subsidiary. Then they have BFSI Sector Skill Council of India, in which they hold 51%. In Central Depository Services Limited, they hold 15%. In India International Clearing Corporation Limited, they hold about 60%. In India International Exchange Limited, again they hold about 60%. And in BSE CSR Integrated Foundation, it's a 100% subsidiary of the company. Then they have various other subsidiaries under these subsidiary companies. So they have a diversified business line. In trading and clearing, they deal in equities, debts, equity derivatives, currency derivatives, commodity derivatives, SME and startups, interest rate futures, and spot markets. In services to corporates, they provide services like equity listing, listing of debt securities, mutual fund listing, and listing of commercial papers. Under distribution, they have mutual funds, book building services for IPOs, offer to buy, offer for sell, new bond platform, and insurance. And other services include data feeds, index services, software services, and training services. They have a differentiated product offering at BSE, wherein stocks having price less than 100 rupees have a 1 paisa ticker, and equity derivatives is used for hedging Sensex and BankX, wherein again they have lot size for lower lot size for S&P BSE Sensex and S&P BSE BankX. Then under currency derivatives, they have introduced 10 paisa strike intervals. BSE Star Mutual Fund platform has a pan-India reach and coverage. 41 mutual funds are registered with them. They have registered investors numbering 14 crores, and they have a network of 75,000 distributors across the country. Schemes are about 11,000, and cities and towns that are covered by the mutual fund are 731. Few years back, they have launched BSE Agriculture Market Limited that provides a spot platform for agriculture commodities. Products that includes are cereals and pulses, oil and seeds, fibers, sugar, dry fruits, spices, and condiments, dairy and dairy products. MOUs and agreements have been signed with government and government enterprises, farmer producer organizations, corporates having interest in commodities, farmers, and FPOs. So far, they have enrolled 1,428 members and executed trade worth 213 crores in agri and steel segments in Q1 of FY24. In terms of global ranking, this is the 8th highest exchange with a market capitalization of 3.61 trillion companies. This market capitalization of the company is listed on the exchange, and number of listed companies are 5,409. They are the fourth largest in terms of index option volume, with June to 32.94 million, and third largest in terms of currency operation traded volume, wherein the volume is to the tune of 9.22 million, and currency futures traded volume, they are ranked third largest in the world, with a volume of 98.72 million. The company started way back in 1875, and between the period 2001-2015, they launched various platforms like SME platform, currency derivatives, interest rate derivatives, new debt segments, and became the fastest exchange in the world with a speed of 6 microseconds. In 2016-17, they uh, commenced sovereign gold bonds, and in 2018 they launched commodity derivatives. In 2020 they launched commodity options and launch of BSE E-Agriculture Market Limited, and in 2021 they launched BSE Administration and Supervision Limited and commencement of power trading operations by HPX. Their revenue streams are transaction charges, treasury income, and clearing settlement funds. Then they have recurring income from other security services, services to the corporates, data dissemination fees, income from investments and deposits, and other incomes. If we look at the quarter gone by, transaction charges have seen an improvement from 53 crores in June quarter of 22 to 66 crores in June quarter of 2023. Treasury income on clearing and settlement funds also saw an increase from 18 crores to 22 crores year on year. Services to corporates saw a bit of decline from 71 crores to 70 crores year on year, and revenue from operations grew from 6 crores to 44 crores year on year. Now let's have a look at key financials of the company. The market cap of the company is 18,900 crores. Current price is about 1400 rupees. The highest that it made was 1438 in last 52 weeks, and 52-week low was 406. The stock is trading at a P/E of 73. Book value of the stock is 199. ROCE is 13.2. ROE is 8.65%. Promoter holding is 0, and debt to equity is also 0. If we have a look at the price chart of the company, we can see that there has been a meteoric rise from April 2021 onwards till date, which is about 620% gain. Quarterly sales for the quarter gone by were flattish. Margins dropped a bit from 49% to 44%. There was a one-time other income of 430 crores, wherein they sold 5% stake in CDSL. So you can see a net profit jump on account of this other income. If we have a look at the yearly performance of the company in 2012, the sales were to the tune of 538 crores, which has almost doubled in 2023 to 925 crores. The operating profit margins are decent enough at about 38%. If we look at the net profit of the company, there have been ups and downs over a period of time, but for last 3 years it has seen a consistent growth from 121 crores to 142 crores to 245 crores, and again it has stagnated to 206 crores. If we have a look at the compounded sale growth of the company for last 5 years, it is 6%. For last compounded profit growth is a negative, a minus 20%. Stock price CAGR for last 5 years is 45%, and return on equity for last 5 years is 7%. Balance sheet is good enough. They have a reserves of 2,674 crores with a zero borrowing. Shareholding pattern is not shown here, but public holds about 95% in the company. Sorry, 65% in the company. Trading members hold 26%, and foreign portfolio investors hold 9%. LIC is the largest shareholder with a shareholding of 5.59%. Then Zerodha Broking has 3.77% and Siddharth Balchandran has 3.46%. So this is it about BSE Limited. We'll soon meet up with a new video. Till then, take care and have a good time.